Om Ganganapatiye Namaha. Sairam. Hi everyone. This is Ashwini. I am from Bangalore. I am a law graduate. This is the first ever video I am making and uploading on social media. I am going to start numerology prediction under the name of Myra numbers. Myra is the Greek goddess. Under the Indian mythology, it is Durga Parmeshwari. I have completed numerology foundation course and numerology professional and success course under the able guidance of Sri Arvind Suji. Now let us understand what is numerology and science behind it.
Numerology is a science of numbers, their characteristics, associations, and one can explore hidden powers of numbers and happening on one's life and destiny. According to this science, each number has its own vibration and we can see its own vibratory influence on humans, their actions, their work, life, as well as on destiny. In our translations, only the names and numbers come to us untouched. But through the science of numbers, many secrets are unveiled. Numerology gives meanings from the vibrational traits of numbers. It is the art of finding words within the words and coming to the history of numerology in 10,000 BC years back. Greek mathematician Pythagoras, father of numerology, explored the hidden capabilities of numbers and founded the base which is known as numerology. He was sure that the world is only a set of mathematical calculations. He claimed that everything around us can be explained by numbers, as each number has a certain vibration attached to it. Since number was the underlying principle of all three sciences, maths, music and astrology, great importance was attached to it. The science of number was considered to be the origin of all things and it was believed that greater knowledge of God could be gained by understanding numbers, where we have been taught that a number depicts a quality or an amount. Pythagoras thought it to be a living qualitative reality. Pythagoras also developed a wheel of letters with numbers. By using the numbers of inquirer's birth name or birth date, it was possible to foretell future events. Pythagoras lived a long life, nearly 100 years, and never looked aged but remained youthful, strong, and powerful. As William Einstein, a scientist by profession and author of English Kabbalah, said in one of his workshops, science has a lot of questions to which they are searching for answers, while the occult has all answers and is waiting for the questions. When the day comes that the two meet, there will be greater strides in science than have ever been made before. Piano music composition teacher Mrs. L.D. Balliet that the letter name of each note had the same vibration as its musical tone. It stood to reason that the sound of every letter in the English alphabet must therefore correspond to the vibration of its numbered place therein. The influence of music. This is one secret we could get, that the accuracy of numbers. Everything that exists as vibration. The vibrational field of sound, music, color, matter are words, thoughts and names all show form. All are vibration. All vibrations are measurable. To measure vibration, we need numbers. Numbers are the basis of it all. Numbers are the key to all mysteries. According to Helen P. Blavatsky, number underlines form and number guides sound. Number lies at the root of the manifested universe. There are 9 numbers. 9 numbers corresponds to 9 planets. Date of birth reveals the destiny, circumstances and phases of life, that is past, present, future, along with the tools in hand and the challenges one faces while covering the journey of life. Name minus date of birth is equal to goal of life. Name reveals the person's behavioral pattern and psychological makeup on planes of expression, that is physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, based on the representation of the same value of alphabets qualities. Combination of name and date of birth reveals the luck factor, suitable occupation, habit, maturity of soul, purpose of life, lot more. Numerology prediction can help to discover your hidden innate abilities, like what type of person you are, the path you may take in your lifetime, the challenges you may have to overcome. You can identify peak moments in your life, explore your special talents and skill and how to use them wisely. Progress one wants in one's personal life, the kind of progress one is looking for in the career life. What kind of growth one desires in one's business and which business suits best. Lucky name for a newborn baby. Overall peace, growth, good health, professional health, etc.
While pursuing my LLB degree, during my internship program, I could come across many diverse cases. Divorce rates in the countries are increasing day by day due to incompatibility issues. I related with the numerology and checked. I could come to know most of the cases are happening due to incompatibility of numbers. That is how I ended up in learning numerology. I hope these informations helps you all. I would like to give free predictions. Kindly support me. Please do share, like, subscribe. Thank you.